Hey guys, guess what? I'm in the hills of St. James and I ran into a bunch of kids enjoying our traditional Otaheite apple. Alright, I came in and let's say this is the apple tree here. Still a few there, but this is what is left of it. And this is what after their consumption is left. Can you imagine? This is indeed the real Jamaica. All right. This is it. They have disappeared. They have feasted and disappeared. I said I'll just share this short video with you. You know, what do you think of it?